If you want VLC to open your music automatically every time you click a song file, then this video will show you exactly how to set VLC as your default music player on a Windows PC. It only takes a minute, and once it's done, you won't have to keep choosing the app again and again for your audio files. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and make sure to subscribe for more quick Windows tips just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Windows Settings. The fastest way to do that is by pressing Windows key +I on your keyboard. That opens the Settings app right away. Once Settings is open, look on the left side and click Apps. This is where Windows keeps all of your app-related options, including default app settings. Inside the App section, click Default Apps. This page lets you choose which programs open different types of files by default, like music files, videos, images, and web links. Now, in the search bar, type VLC. If you see VLC Media Player in the list, click on it. If it doesn't appear right away, you can also scroll down until you find VLC Media Player manually. After you click VLC Media Player, Windows will show you a list of file formats that VLC can handle. This is where you can choose exactly which audio or media file types you want VLC to open. Next, click the file extension you want to change. For example, if you want VLC to open MP3 files, click MP3. A pop-up list will appear with available apps. From that list, select VLC Media Player. Then click Set Default to make VLC the main app for that file type. You can repeat the same process for other music formats too, like .wave, .m4a, or .FLAC, depending on what you want VLC to handle. This is really useful if you want one player for all of your audio files. Once you've changed the file associations you want, just close Settings. From now on, whenever you open one of those music files, Windows will launch VLC automatically, and that's it. VLC is now set as your default music player on Windows. It's a simple change, but it can make your daily listening experience much smoother and more convenient. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.